السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. الحمد لله رب العالمين. Thank you for coming today again. Alhamdulillah. Shukran lil hudur. Inshallah. In the last lesson, if you can remember, we were looking at al-mamnu'u min as-sarf, right? Al-mamnu'u min as-sarf. And we actually explained the anwa'u of the mamnu'u min as-sarf. Anwa'u mamnu'u min as-sarf. Look at the various classifications of the mamnu'u min as-sarf, or in which the categories in which they could fall, and we look at all angles of it. And as I said, that particular lesson, that particular chart was a little bit complex, and I said you should try to revise it several times. Okay, by now I hope you are very familiar with it. So this particular lesson, we are going to look at a practical aspect of it. Okay, so they are giving us an exercise to try our understanding of what we learned in the previous lesson. So as you can see at Tamarin, okay, Tamarin. So this is an exercise. So they said here, اقرأ الكلمات الآتية واكتبها مع الضبط أواخرها. So you should read the following words. اكتبها مع ضبط أواخرها. And then write, okay, with precision. Its last meaning, you have to vocalize, put vowels on the last letter. So you can see they have left out the last letters. There is vowels, but the last letters they haven't put any vowels on them. So you are expected to feel it. And for you to feel it, you actually need to understand mamnu min as-sarf before you can feel it correctly. Okay, so that is what we are doing here. We are going to feel it, taking into consideration or being cautious of mamnu min as-sarf. So here, Muhammad, what should be here? It is going to be two possibilities. Either it will take tanween, double dhamma, especially double dhamma, or one dhamma. So you have to choose. We said mamnu min as-sarf, they don't take the double vowel. So Muhammad is not mamnu min as-sarf. So it will be Muhammadun to take the tanween. So the mamnu min as-sarf, mark them red. This is mamnu min as-sarf. So Muhammadun. Muhammadun. Hali. You see, those mamnu min as-sarf red. Those which are not mamnu min as-sarf green. So Hali dun. Halid is not mamnu min as-sarf. Maryamu, not Maryamun. Maryamu one. All the feminine names, they are mamnu min as-sarf. We look at it. An alam, which is ta'nis. An alam, a proper noun, which is at the same time ta'nis. Okay, feminine. Okay, or it is a masculine name, but it resembles a feminine name, a masculine name with a ta marbuta. It is also mamnu min as-sarf. So we have here Fatima 2. Okay, so mamnu min as-sarf. Abbas is not mamnu min as-sarf. Okay, there's no reason for it being mamnu min as-sarf. Hamza 2 is mamnu min as-sarf. Why? It is a proper noun. Okay, an alam, which is ta'nis, which is feminine. Even though it's masculine, but it resembles a feminine name. Okay, with mushabbahatun with ta'nis. Okay, so as you can see, it has ta marbuta at the end. So masaji do, if you can remember, we look at it. Masajidu. We look at something that we call sifatul muntahal jumhur, if you can remember in the last lesson. Okay, those plurals of things that ends with alif followed by two letters. Masajidu, you can see there is alif followed by two letters. Okay, another one is maktab is a table, maktabun is a table, makatibu, and then with alif followed by two letters. Fanadiku, you see. Masajidu, you can see here. So those pattern masajidu, makatibu, fanadiku, okay, all these are both them as the silatul muntaha al-jumur. So kutubun is no mamnu min as-sarf. There's no reason for it to be mamnu min as-sarf. Aklamun, it is no mamnu min as-sarf. Manadilu, so this is mamnu min as-sarf, right? Similar pattern, okay, of the silatul muntaha al-jumur. Okay, manadilu. You see, it is ending with alif followed by 2 letters or 3 letters with the middle having school. So that was what we taught them as the silatul muntaha al-jumur. There are 2, either alif followed by 2 letters or alif followed by 3 letters but the middle having school. Okay, so buyutun. Sorry, buyutun is not mamnu min as-sarf. There's no reason why it should be mamnu min as-sarf. Zumala'u, so this is mamnu min as-sarf. Zumala'u, it is mamnu min as-sarf. Why? It is an ism mamduda. Okay, we look at, we said there ism mamduda and nouns that ends with alif followed by hamza. So zumala'u, fuqara'u, asdiqa'u, okay, all these agniya'u, all these are what we term as ism mamduda. Nouns that ends with alif followed by hamza. Alif and hamza are the last. They are ism mamduda and they are mamnu min as-sarf. So they will never have, they are always going to be zumala'u, okay, zumala'u, fuqara'u, but you won't hear zumala'un, fuqara'un, agniya'un. It will not be tanween. It doesn't take tanween. Landana, it is mamnu min as-sarf. Why? It is an alam at the same time at ajami. Okay, an alam which is ajami, a name of a place that is a proper noun. So it's a proper noun, one. Then it is an ajam, non-Arabic name. Okay, non-Arab. You have Sufyanu, it is mamnu min as-sarf. Why? It ends, if you can remember, we said names, proper nouns that have intiha bi alif wa nun, that ends with alif wa nun, they are also mamnu min as-sarf. So this is from it. Hamidun is not mamnu min as-sarf. There's no reason for it being mamnu min as-sarf. We have Ahmadu. So Ahmad is mamnu min as-sarf. Why? Ala wazn fi'l. If you can remember, we talk about nouns that are alam and they have the pattern of verbs. I hope that is clear. They have the pattern of verbs. So for example, Ahmadu, okay, is a verb. Okay, Ahmadu. Okay, or even Hamida. If you look at Hamim Dal, Hamida, Sami Allahu liman Hamida. So Hamida is a verb. Okay, another one is Ashrafa. So some people's name is Ashraf. So it is mamnu min as-sarf. Why? It is a noun that has a pattern of verbs. Okay, even though we haven't looked at verbs, we look at it later. Ibrahim, it is not a masculine. It is mamnu min as-sarf. Ibrahimu, it is mamnu min as-sarf. Makkatu, okay, mamnu min as-sarf. Sorry, this one is mamnu min as-sarf. Zainabu mamnu min as-sarf. Asdiqa'u mamnu min as-sarf. Okay, this is still the same as ism mamduda ending with alif wa hamza. Mudarrisatu, this is not mamnu min as-sarf. Mudarrisatu, there's no reason why it is mamnu min as-sarf. Mahmudun, it is not mamnu min as-sarf. Okay, Baghdadu, it is mamnu min as-sarf. Okay, it is an alam, a proper noun, that is a name of a place. Okay, Baghdad is a name of a place, and at the same time it is an ajam. It is not what's the name? The name of an Arab to begin with. Now have Jamil, Jamilun, it's not mamnu min as-sarf. Kabirun, it's not mamnu min as-sarf. Akbaru, it is mamnu min as-sarf. Ala waznul af'ala, you can remember. Okay, Mujtahidun, it is not mamnu min as-sarf. Mujtahidun is not. Tuwilun is not mamnu min as-sarf. Kaslanu is mamnu min as-sarf. You can remember tantahi bi alif wa nun. So sifa, it is a sifa that ends with alif wa nun. You can remember. Tullabun, it is not mamnu min as-sarf. Students are not mamnu min as-sarf. Fuqara'u, mamnu min as-sarf. It will never take tanween. So you don't hear fuqara'un, but you will always see fuqara'u. Aliyun, it's not mamnu min as-sarf. Pakistanu, mamnu min as-sarf, right? Pakistan is mamnu min as-sarf. Why? Okay, it is a name of a place. So alam, and secondly, intiha bi alif wa nun. It ends with alif wa nun. Okay, Ammarun, it is not mamnu min as-sarf. Ammarun is not mamnu min as-sarf. Sayyaratun, it is not mamnu min as-sarf. So sayyaratun. Okay, Ahmaru is mamnu min as-sarf. Ahmaru means red. Okay, so Ahmaru, red. Why? It is a sifa. It is a sifa. Okay, when we say a red book, it is an adjective, right? It gives a description of a book, so it is a sifa. But at the same time, ala was no af'ala. It comes on the verb, on the pattern of the verb. Okay, so ahmaru. So here, the same thing happens here. Akbaru. You can see the first one is having fatha, followed by sukun, followed by fatha, followed by dhamma. Af'alu or ahmaru, akbaru, all those patterns are mamnu min as-sarf. Ismailu, mamnu min as-sarf. Why? Okay, it is an ajam. Okay, it is an ajam. So one, it is an Arab name. It is a proper name. It's an alam, and then it is an ajam. It is not an Arabic name. I told you in the last lesson that in the Quran, out of 25 prophets are mentioned by name in the prophet. There are 25 names of prophets in the Quran, but out of them, only 3 are pure Arab. That is Muhammad, Saleh, and then Shu'aib. They are Arabic names. But all the rest, Ismail, Ibrahim, Yaqub, okay, Musa, Harun, Isa, all the rest are not Arab. They get coined into Arabic, but they are not Arabic names. They are not purely from Arab origin. I hope that is clear. So they are mamnu min as-sarf by default. Okay. Apart from the 3, the remaining 22 are mamnu min as-sarf. So Muhammad, Saleh, and Shu'aib, they are the names that are Arabic origin. So we have Barisa. This is mamnu min as-sarf. Okay. Why? Non-Arab. Ajam. Babun. Babun is not mamnu min as-sarf. Kalamun is not mamnu min as-sarf. Madarisu, it is mamnu min as-sarf. Why? Why is this one mamnu min as-sarf? Who can? لماذا؟ مدارس صلة المنتهى للجموع. Have you forgotten? It is صلة المنتهى للجموع. Okay. So what happens is that صلة المنتهى للجموع, you can see there is alif and then two ending with 2 letters. Okay. Just like here. Masajidu, madarisu is the same pattern. Okay. It is صلة المنتهى للجموع. Plurals of nouns. Plurals that ends with alif followed by 2 letters. Like here. Alif followed by 2 letters. Madarisu. It ends with. So all that pattern. Madarisu, masajidu, makatibu, fanadiku. Ending with that pattern. Alif followed by 2 letters. Alif followed by 2 letters. And they are plural of a particular thing. Now, they are mamnu min as-sarf. Okay. Juddatun. This one is mamnu min as-sarf. Which is a feminine name. Mafatihu, mamnu min as-sarf. So this also from there. Manadilu, mafatihu. Okay. Still the same pattern. Ala silatul muntaha al-jumu'ah. Madrasatun is not mamnu min as-sarf. Madrasatun. Do we have here? Mal'anu, this is mamnu min as-sarf. Why? Intihau bi alif wa nun. It ends with alif wa nun. Makatibu, mamnu min as-sarf. Why? Okay, I've just mentioned it. Makatibu is the same as the masajidu, madarisu, and then with alif and followed by two letters. Qaribun. Qaribun is not mamnu min as-sarf. Okay. Usamatu, it is mamnu min as-sarf. A masculine name that resembles a feminine name. So it is an alam at the same time a tanis. Okay. This is the end of this particular assignment. Okay. Okay, so we have here kalimatul jadida. We have reached the kalimatul jadida. Okay. So as you can see, we have the new words for the kalimatul jadida. The first one we have is finjanu. Al-finjanu, and the plural is fanajiru. So what does it mean? Finjan is a cup. You can see here cup. There's a cup here. That's what we mean by finjan. Or fanajin, that's the plural. So we have the second one. Al-madrasatu, the school. We know what madrasatu means. The school. Madaris. Madarisu is the schools, plural of school. Masjidu is the mosque. Masajidu is the plural. Okay. Ad-dakikatu. Dakikatu specifically means the minute. Okay. It means the minute. Okay. Sawani is the second. Okay. Dakikatun is actually the minute. So kala kalat. Kala kalat. We all know what this means, right? Masculine, feminine. He said, she said, right? Now have the mindil. The mindil is what? Handkerchief, right? Manadil is the plural. Okay. Then we have miftahu. The miftah is the what? Mama miftah. The key. And the plural is what? Mafatih. The plural is mafatih, right? Mafatih. Abiyadu. Abiyadu is white, right? Abiyadu is white. Ahdaru is what? Green. Ahdaru is green. Okay. Then azraku. Mamana azraku. Azraku is what? Blue, right? Blue. You have ahmaru. Ahmaru is what? Red, right? You have aswadu. Aswadu is what? Black, right? And then we have asfaru. Asfaru is what? Yellow, right? Yellow. Okay. So hope that is clear. So this is just extension of it. So this is the miftah, this is the key, and this is the finjan, and this is the mindil. Okay, this is the mindil. This one, how you can see. Okay, and the madrasa is the school, the masjid is the mosque, the dakikatun is the second, minute. Second is sani. Okay, or sawani, if you want to put sawani, that's second, but dakikatun is minute. Okay, but sometimes we use interchangeable. Okay, but that's just it. So this is the kalimatul jadida. Alhamdulillah, we have come to the end of this particular lesson. So please try to look at it and understand it very well. If there is any problem or any confusion, please draw our attention. We will explain it to you further, inshallah. Also, jazakumullahu khairan. We will continue in the next lesson. We'll have one more lesson. So this is the end of the lesson number 12. We'll have the lesson number 13 in the next lesson, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan fi hayatikum. بارك الله لي ولكم في قرآن الحكيم نفعني وإياكم بالآية والذكر الحكيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.